In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to transfer money from Apple Pay to Cash App and whether or not it is possible to do this. In this video, I'm going to talk about the options that you have to transfer any amount of balance that you have on your Apple Wallet to Cash App, and if there is any way or alternative to do this. So first, if you open Apple Pay and you try to make the transfer from there, you will find no option to transfer the money elsewhere. And if you try to do this process on Cash App instead, even though you can go over to your wallet page and link various different options such as banks and different cards, you will not be able to link Apple Pay or your Apple Wallet to Cash App. So basically, to answer the question in the title of this video, Apple Pay and Cash App are different payment platforms with distinct functions. Because of this, you will not be able to directly transfer money between both. You cannot connect Cash App to your Apple Wallet and transfer money that way, so you have to look into alternatives. The main way to do this is going to be by transferring the money from Apple Pay to a bank account, and after the money is in the bank account, you can link the bank account to Cash App. So I'm gonna go over this alternative. So open Apple Wallet and select your Apple Cash card. Find the option to transfer the balance that you have in there to a bank. When you choose transfer to bank, follow the instructions on screen and you will be able to transfer it to a linked bank or add a new one. So once you make this transfer and you receive the funds on the bank account that is currently linked to your Apple Wallet or your Apple Pay account, you will be able to open Cash App, go over to the banking tab like I mentioned, and when you tap the option to add cash, you will be able to see a list of all the bank accounts that you have linked. If you haven't already linked the bank account, go back to your profile, and in there under the linked banks section, you will be able to go through the process of linking a bank account using either the bank account's credentials or a debit card. And after it is linked, you can finish the process on the add cash window like I mentioned. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but let people be aware about the limitations of making this transfer directly and why you need to work around to get this process done. I hope I was able to answer any questions that you had on how to transfer money from Apple Pay to Cash App. If this video answered any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.